Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will explore the powerful switchwords and transformative Grabovoi's numeric codes to enhance our lives. From manifesting abundance to healing the body and mind, discover how these tools can be key on your path to well-being. Our Switchwords videos are an invaluable source of positive energy and wish manifestation. Every word, sound, and frequency we share is designed to elevate your energy and unlock your maximum potential. We invite you to immerse yourself in this journey of self-discovery and personal growth, where you can connect with your essence and allow the universe to respond to your deepest intentions. Our Grabovoi's numeric codes videos are a window to healing and wish manifestation. These powerful codes, presented in numeric sequences, act as master keys to unlock the potential of the self and align energies with the universe. We show you how to apply these codes to restore balance, overcome challenges, and create the reality you desire. Join us and discover the power of Grabovoi's numeric codes for your well-being and happiness. We highly recommend watching at least half an hour of each video daily to enhance its influence and power to make changes in your life. Each video is carefully designed to offer you proven tools that can transform your reality. By watching our videos in full, you immerse yourself in a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, where you can experience a deep connection with your essence and allow the universe to respond to your deepest intentions. We invite you to commit to the full experience and discover the incredible potential that lies within you. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest explorations, and share our videos. Thank you for joining us at Global Quantum Media, and until next time, take care.